A point source S is placed at a distance r by 2 from the center of the sphere. Consider the reflection light from the farthest wall followed by reflection from nearest wall. Where is the image of the source? Consider axial rays only. They have clearly given that. So this is the sphere. Maybe I should draw a bigger sphere. This is a sphere. Okay. And let us consider that this is like the diameter passing through the center. Okay, and they are saying that radius is r and all those things are there. Point source is placed at a distance r by 2 from center. So suppose I keep an object here. This is the object. This is at a distance of r by 2 from this side. So this side is also r by 2. Okay, this side is also half. Okay, and here they are considering that inner surface is reflecting means outer surface is painted. Outer surface is painted completely. Okay. Okay. That means it's a concave mirror. It's going to be a concave mirror. Now do the calculation. They are saying that first rays will go and hit that surface, farther surface. That is farther surface. So this distance is r, right? So this distance of object from here will become r plus r by 2, 3r by 2. So now consider this as the pole P, and first let us take this is pole 1. So first you consider reflection from that surface and tell me where the image will be formed. Radius of curvature is r, so focal length of this will be r by 2. Do the calculation quick and let us find out where the image will be formed due to that reflection. Let us try that. So 1 by v plus 1 by u is 1 by f. So for that surface I am taking, so object distance is minus 3r by 2. V we will calculate. Object distance is minus 3r by 2. So v is going to be minus 3r by 2 u. Focal length also negative, so focal length is minus r by 2. Okay, calculate this. So 1 by v will become, that side it will go, so 2 by 3r minus 2 by r. Calculate it. Take LCM 3r. Take 3r. So 2 minus 3 into 2, 6. So minus 4 by 3r. So v is coming as minus 3r by 4. Minus 3r by 4 means what? Minus 3r by 4 means this is r now. So minus means somewhere here. 75% of r means here it will be. The image will be formed here. This is, let us say, first image. Negative means it is showing this side. So this image is forming at a distance of 3r by 4. 3r by 4. Clear? Are you clear about this? Yes. This image I1 has formed. Next, this image is getting reflected with this surface, and then final image. Where is the image of this final image formed? So now what happens? Note that rays will be going like this way. The direction of rays are important. So rays, how will you take the rays? Rays you have to take it like this way. Okay. So first rays gone like this way, reflected. Now rays are coming like this way. So this direction you have to take as positive, and this direction you have to take negative for this second. This is the pole, second pole. Now do this calculation for second pole. Quick calculation you can do. Let us do this quick calculation. For this, object distance is going to be negative. So tell me how much this distance will be, because this is 3r by 4 and total is diameter, which is 2r. So tell me how much this distance will be. That distance will be 2r minus 3r by 4. How much that will be? 8 minus 3, 5r by 4. So 5r by 4 in the negative direction. So now you substitute 1 by v minus plus 1 by u, but object distance is going to be negative 5r by 4. 5r by 4 is equal to 1 by focal length for this side. Focal length is still negative for this side. So focal length is going to be negative. So minus r by 2. Now you calculate, this will be the answer to this calculation. So 4 by 5r minus 2 by r, take LCM, 5r, 4 minus 5 into 2, 10. So it is coming minus 6 by 5r. So finally we are calculating this v is equal to 5r by 6. But minus means the same side. So finally the image is coming as 5r by 6 distance from this side. 5r by 6 means how much? 5r by 6 is how much? 5 by 6 is how much? 0.4 0.4, nearly 0.48. Correct, na? Because 6, sorry, 68 is a 48. 0.8 something it is. 0.8 something it is, and R by 2 is like 0.5. So somewhere very, very close this side. This is the final image I2 we are getting. So finally, we have got the image. They are asking image. Where is the image? So if I consider this as a sphere, then this is the center. Let us say O, and this is the final image I2. This final image is 5r by 6 distance. 5r by 6 from the surface, and total from center, if I have to calculate this distance, so how much will be this distance? Because total is r, so r minus 5r by 6, so this is going to be r by 6. So the image is finally formed at r by 6 distance from the center towards the side of the object. Are you clear? Yes. Are you getting this? Yes or no? This is what is called geometric optics. When you work problem and see the geometry, it is not the 10th grade type of questions will come. Geometric optics means you need to visualize reflections and which direction rays are going, which direction it is reflecting. All those things, calculations you have to do. Unless you think yourself, it will. That's why it takes time. It is not that you have to rush it. Yeah, that's why we will go slow, slow, slow. Question solve and try understanding. Take time. It takes time to grasp. These days, teaching is not proper everywhere. They are just bombarding students with formulas and these things. They never get any time to think anything. Self-study is also reduced because all the time school hours are so much. It will never get. In our time, we did not have that many school hours. In our time, we had only from 8:30 to 2 o'clock maximum we had school hours. After that, we have full time free. So when we came to home, we take rest, and after that, full no 8, 9, 10 hours also we could study. It was like that. That's why we used to study 10 hours. So we used to study so many books by ourselves. We used to take big, big books and we used to study this, that. No, chemistry, I never means used to score good marks. But I liked chemistry theory. I used to read these books of chemistry. Different, different books I used to read. Chemical kinetics, I used to like. One book I remember, I studied Peter Atkins. Peter Atkins book is a very good book that gave me so much knowledge and analysis of this chemical kinetics reactions like that. And some foreign author book also was there. One Chinese author book I don't remember. It was also a very good book. There were so many books were there, but few books I like. I just used to read it just for knowledge. I used to read it, but I could not score more in chemistry. Okay, because chemistry is so much to remember and so many reactions are there to remember this. It's okay. We have to balance things, right? If some subject we are not able to score good, other subject we have to score good. You have to balance it. Okay. Then what? Shall we take one or two more questions?